In the next couple of minutes or so, we're going to see how to use Verulam Bluemint to help us develop our data skills using SQL, dbt, or PySpark. Here's how it works. First, we go to verulamblue.com to get started. We can sign in or quickly set up a free account. Here I'll set up a free account to get us started. Once we've signed in, we can choose from a variety of realistic challenges, each with its own messy dataset. For this demonstration, let's dive into the retail challenge. First thing we'll see is the brief, which shows us our task and the KPIs we need to calculate. For this challenge, we'll use SQL. Details about our KPI targets are within easy reach as we work. Let's start by exploring the messy data. Let's clean the messy fields and build our clean dataset. Let's now compute our KPIs. Once we've calculated all the KPIs, we can submit our results for scoring. We can get our results immediately. Whether you're into data engineering, analytics, or data science, Verulam Bluemint can help you bypass setup hell, instantly access large, messy datasets in your browser, and give you the ability to run SQL, dbt, and PySpark with one click, zero setup. Start building real data skills today. Go to verulamblue.com now.